Hi guys, I'm Jonaliza Dupaya from Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos. For today's video guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang 2026 Xpander Cross Automatic. Si Xpander Cross, naka-LED headlights with sharper daytime running lights. T-shaped LED headlamps and fog lights. Naka-LED na rin for better visibility lalo na sa gabi. Dito naman sa harap, naka-honeycomb grill na Xpander Cross for better airflow at maiwasan ang pag-init ng makina. More power, better fuel efficiency, and less emissions. Para sa ating mags, naka 17-inch two-tone alloy wheel. Para sa ating side mirror, naka-integrated turn signal light na siya at meron na rin siyang 360 camera. Dito sa ating door handle, meron na siyang keyless operating system to kahit hindi mo dala yung susi mo, pwede mo siyang lock and unlock. Tapos guys, sa Xpander Cross lang merong roof rail. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-travel, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng roof rack with 225 ground clearance. The Xpander Cross, naka-black and burgundy leather seat. Ang steering wheel ni Xpander Cross ay naka 3-spoke leather wrap with hands-free buttons. Naka-tilt and telescopic na rin siya. With 10-inch touch screen monitor, smartphone link display, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with brake auto hold and digital climate control, with center console para mas convenient sa driver. Tapos, meron din siyang lagayan ng tissue holder with 2 cup holders at compartment. Dito naman sa second row, meron na siyang aircon para hindi mainitan si passenger sa second row and sa third row. Dito naman sa second row seat and third row seat, napo-fold siya to 50-50 flat. Para kung meron kayong family na galing abroad, ayan, kasya po siya dyan, yung mga balikbayan box. Tapos pwede mo magsakay ng 2 passengers sa second row and 1 passenger sa likod. Dito naman sa rear, naka T-shaped LED taillights. With backup camera na rin si Xpander Cross para lalong hindi mahirapan si driver sa pagre-reverse. With the spoiler, for aerodynamics, less fuel efficiency. At naka-fin type antenna na rin sa Xpander Cross. So guys, ang requirements for employed, 2 valid IDs, latest proof of billing, certificate of employment with compensation, and 3 months payslip. Para sa OFW naman, scanned passport, contract, 3 months latest payslip, and 3 months latest remittances. For self-employed naman, 2 valid IDs, BTI or business registration, 3 months latest bank statement. Para sa ating promo sa 2026 Xpander Cross, ito sa aking screen, ang monthly, so guys, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you!